everyone, I'm Ujan and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a flipbook very easily. Before I show you that how to make a flipbook, I want to tell you guys that if you guys want to know how to make a channel in YouTube, how to increase views in YouTube and many more things, then you can check out my Technical Ujan channel. Link is in the description box. So let's make it. So to make it you will need scissors, glue, sketch pens, white paper and your hands. So first take a rectangular piece of paper and fold that in half like this. Then open it and cut it like this. Then take one of the papers and apply glue as shown. Then take another one and stick it like this. After that leave it to dry. Then open it and draw whatever you want. Right now I'm going to draw a man who is waving his hand. So it's a pretty simple character. So now let's make this hand like this and this hand like this, and now leave the page and then copy this. Make sure the paper is thin, otherwise you will be not able to see this. Everything is copied, but I didn't copy this hand because we are going to change the movement. We are going to make the movement like this. After this your flip book is completely ready. It's pretty simple. Now I'll show you that how it works. You have to hold it right here like this and you have to do this. So as you can see that it's looking like the hand is moving up and down. So it's pretty simple, and using the same process you can make some more characters, some more flick books. As you can see I've made another one and it's pretty slim. So it's a bird who flies. As you can see there are two birds. So now see the magic. It looks that the bird is flying but it's not. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video then hit like, subscribe and tell me in the comments that what should I make next, and goodbye.